Hey there guys, it's Linda Dolke. I'm a demonstrator with Stampin' Up here in Australia, and today I just have a quick tip for you that I thought might be useful. In our new catalogue, this guy here, we have a cute little pack of Jingle Bells. Okay, let me just quickly find them for you. Almost there. Here they are. Page 13 of the holiday catalogue. You'll see them here. Little Jingle Bells, and I've had a couple of people ask me how to use them. If you look at the pictures, they've actually tied them on with twine. There's a couple of places they've tied them on with twine here, but I also found they work well with a thinner ribbon as well, so either ribbon or twine is going to be your friend when you're using these guys. And here's one quick way to do it. I think this works well. You can see I've used them on a couple of little projects here. I thought I've got two ribbons that work really well for this. So this is the so each of these are about 1 centimetre wide. So this is the Shaded Spruce Gold ribbon, striped ribbon, and this one is the Cherry Cobbler diagonal striped ribbon, and that's the one I thought I'd use. Both of these tie quite nicely, so they work well for this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your ribbon scissors and you want to chop your end of your ribbon to make a point, because it just makes it easier to feed through. So I'll grab one of the bells. You can see we have 3 colours in the pack. So there's gold, red and green. So I believe this is garden green. Shaded spruce. I better check that. But it goes good with garden green or shaded spruce. It's probably worth knowing that. And then these are cherry cobbler, and then there's the gold ones. So once you've got this ribbon tied off to a point, you can then easily thread it through the hole. Although, if you're like me, you still need to wear your glasses, because I can't see anything much without them these days. So that's a bit sad. So you might just need to sort of wriggle that through. And then once it's through, it slides on easily like that. And you want to slide it on a reasonable amount, because we need a bit at this end to work with. So there it is in the middle. Decide where I want my bow to be. I want it to be right here. And this is how easy it is to do. Make a loop. Let me bring it up close. Make a loop, just like that. Make another loop, just like that. And then tie the 2 loops together. So, just like you're tying the beginning of a shoelace. Just like that. And then you pull it through, and your jingle bell will be right in the middle of the bow. Okay, super easy to do, and then you can use it on your projects. I find all bows, you just need to fiddle around with them a little bit until they look the way you want them to look. There we go. That's how I want it to be. All right, and then you'll be trimming that off when you're happy with it. And you can see how cute that is. And our jingle bell is right in the middle of our bow. Isn't that easy? To attach it, use some glue dots. Just pop your glue dot behind your ribbon, and then it's sticky at the back and ready to pop wherever you would like it. Okay, so I'm just going to pop it here right now because I've got nowhere to put that. But you can see I've used it here, this exact thing, right on this little cute little chalkboard. I bought these at a local department store. I embossed Merry Christmas on it in white embossing powder, and attached my little jingle bell to the top with a glue dot, just like that. I used these at my launch recently, and everybody got one of these at their place. And then here's one on a card. I've used the shaded spruce ribbon. I tied my little jingle bell on using that exact method, and then glue dotted it to the bottom of the trees, and I think that looks nice as well. So there you go, guys. That's one way that you can use the jingle bells. I think it makes a lot of sense to do it like this. That's your little quick tip for today, and I will be back with more videos for you soon. If there's anything that you're needing to purchase from Stampin' Up in Australia and you don't have a demonstrator, please contact me. I'll put all the details for that in the description below. Have a great day, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.